Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need to pick 2 different colored crayons. I am going to choose blue and green, but you can choose whatever you'd like. Today, we're doing rainbow words, and we're going to write each word using 2 colors. Let me show you. Our first word is an. 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 I'm going to write an in blue. An. Then with my second color, I'm going to practice writing it again, right on top. An. My next word is fan. Fan. Pick up my blue crayon. Please write fan. Fan. With your second crayon, practice writing it again. Fan. Our next word is at. At. My first crayon. At. Practice writing it again with my second crayon. At. Our next word is fat. Fat. Going to practice writing it my first time. Fat. Fat. Practice writing again in your second color. Fat. Our next word is tan. Tan. Our first color. Tan. Second crayon, write tan again. Tan. Our next word is tap. Tap. Pick up your first crayon and write tap. Tap. Second crayon, write again. Tap. Our next word is nap. Nap. Please write nap in your first colored crayon. Nap. Second color. Nap. 3 more to go. You're doing great. Our next word is pat. 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 Second color. Pat. Next word is pan. Pan. First color. Pan. Next color. Pan. And our last word is ran. 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 Next color. Ran. Way to go, boys and girls. All right, my first graders, we are doing word shapes. You'll notice over here we have a word bank full of all of our words with short A. Short A says ah. You'll notice here with our word shapes, we have some boxes that are really tall. And we have some boxes that are small. And we also have some boxes that drop into the basement. So we have to be careful and look at our word bank words. If it has a tall letter, we need to look for a tall box to start our word. Our first word is bag. B-A-G. Bag. I notice bag has a tall letter, a short letter, and a basement letter. So I need to find a word shape that matches that pattern. Tall letter for my B, short letter for my A, and a basement for my G. G. Bag. My next word is can. K-A-N. Can. And I notice that can has 3 short letters. So 3 short boxes is what I'm looking for. Right down here at the bottom. K-A-N. Can. My next word is fat. F-A-T. Fat. I notice fat has a tall letter, a short letter, and another tall letter. So I'm looking for tall, short, tall. Right up here at the top. At. Fat. Our next word is had. H-A-D. Had. I notice that had has a tall letter, a short letter, and another tall letter. Tall, short, tall. Here we go at the bottom. H-A-D. Had. Our next word is has. H-A-S. Has. I notice that has a tall letter, short letter, short letter. So tall, short, short. Right here at the top. Tall. A-S. Has. Our next word is jam. J-A-M. Jam. I notice that jam has a basement letter and then 2 short letters. So basement letter first and then 2 short letters. Right here I see a basement letter. J. A-M. Jam. Our next word is map. M-A-P. Map. I can see the map starts with a short letter, basement letter. So short, short, basement. Right here. M-A-P. Map. And my last word is sad. S-A-D. Sad. And I can see that sad has a short, short, tall letter. And I only have 1 box left. S-A-D. Sad. Way to go, my friends. You did great. Thanks for your hard work.